Hey everybody. I cannot believe how great last weekend was with the promotion that we put out for $27 for a bottle of Trey, representing the 27 years that I've been making wine. As we head into harvest, we've got 5 lots in so far. We have 40 left to go for the fall, and it is looking fantastic. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. We're going to run the $27 promotion one more weekend. So if you didn't get a chance to get in on it last weekend, you've got one more shot. And I'm telling you, this Trey is tasting really good right now. So thank you everyone so much, and come out and visit.